Hello again from Öland, and I am at another beach in this beautiful, magnificent island. This is Kyrketorp Strand, located right next to the same named camping that I have passed by in the beginning of this video. And I can see the whole Böda area over here all the way to the end. And I have actually visited earlier today Böda Sand, which is the main attraction and the main beach here in Öland. So now I wanted to explore a few more spots. And I actually went running to the nearby Ica Nera Böda, to buy some groceries. And now it's time for a beach adventure. I thought that it's gonna be some sun. It was sunny when I went out of my cabin. That's around 2 kilometers away from here. But yeah, the clouds have had other plans for me today. So the sun will be back tomorrow, I suppose. And until then, we can just enjoy in the sea. It is 16 degrees Celsius right now. It is 7:30 p.m. and in the sea it is 17 degrees. I'm gonna go with the measurement that I saw at Böda Camping because I don't have time to measure currently. But the sand is very wet because yesterday it was raining like crazy. Heavy rain. Check out that episode when I was making a swim at Böda Gardens Camping that I can see from here. It's less than 1 kilometer away from here. But here it seems like the sand is gonna take some time to dry, and there was basically no sun today, so it's a bit hard. And this is actually the first beach from in Böda on the south part, because after this it's Böda Hamn, the Böda port. So all the way from here you can walk across the beach, across the sand towards the very end. I think it's around 10 kilometers at least, as far as I can see. So it's spectacular. So let's see now if the sun will make an appearance while I do my beach adventure. It seems like it is very shallow here as I see the waves over there. So it's gonna take some time until we reach a bathing spot. So bear with me as I am explaining to you more about Böda and this island. So this is my day 5 of my vacation. And basically it is my second day here in Böda. And what else do I need to mention? Yes, it is beach day number 72 of my Sweden beach adventures this year. So we are close to 100, but we are still very far from the record from last year, which is 200 beach days. And I doubt that I'm going to reach it, depending on how the weather is going to be in November, because November can be quite cold, and for me it will be challenging with my bicycle to go to the beaches when it's snowing. But let's see. Anyway, let's not talk about winter. It's summer right now, 23rd of June, the day is today. So I am exploring this beautiful beach, Kyrketorp Strand. So let's continue walking and find a suitable bathing depth right here in Kyrketorp. Yes, Öland is an island, obviously. I came to this island yesterday in Färjestaden. Actually, now that I think of it, it was the day before yesterday. Oh my god, the days go so fast when you're on vacation. So the day before yesterday, on Midsummer Eve, it was that I was in first in Kalmar and then went to Färjestaden, across the bridge, across the Öland bridge. There I stayed for one night, and then yesterday I took the bus all the way here to Böda, where I'm gonna stay for now 6 more days, as this is day 2 of the beach adventures. So it doesn't get any deeper. I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's very, very shallow. It wasn't this shallow at all at Böda Sand. I'm now 100 meters away from the shore. which means that this episode is gonna be longer than usual. So bear with me, please, as I'm finding a suitable bathing distance. Yes, Sweden is a super nice vacation destination. It's a lot more colder actually than the Mediterranean Sea, but it can get quite warm some days also. So it will be later this week 24 degrees Celsius, which is great for me at least. Yeah, but it's a bit of a change if it is 16 like now. It's not for everyone. I'm now all alone on the beach. There is nobody else here. So yeah, now it's a fairly good depth right here. So let's then embrace and enjoy a Kyrketorp Strand right here in Böda, Öland. Let's go! I don't know why, but the water feels so much colder than 17. I mean, I have been swimming in 0 degrees since Borgholm, and this feels colder than that. I'm not sure why. It's very strange, but still, I'm so happy that I took one more swim today. Third beach adventure for today. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me from Kyrketorp Strand, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!